Subscribe Smart Tech Magic's channel and hit the bell icon beside it to watch latest tech videos before anyone else. Hello friends, myself Darshan Kumar Das. Once again welcome back to Smart Tech Magics. In this video I am going to unbox my first and new tripod, and this is it. So without any further delay, let's get started. So friends, before unboxing the tripod, let me show you what's written on the box of this tripod. So here on the top of the box it's written tripod 3110. Sorry, tripod 3110. On this side it's written tripod 3110, 3-way head, built-in level, 4-sec aluminium legs. It's written 4-section aluminium legs, quick lever rock. Why it's written rock I don't know. Here it's written 1020 millimeter. Here it is written 350 millimeter, and you can see the pictures. Here it is written 345 millimeter, and you can see that picture above it, and here it's written 16.8 millimeter, and before it a phi symbol is given. What does this mean I don't know, but I am showing you because it's written on the box. And here it is written the weight of this tripod, that is 420 gram, and here you can see it's written made in China, and here it's the picture of the tripod on this side, and here it's written tripod 3110. Same thing is written here, and this I have shown. So here it's written some other specifications, that is it's written tripod 3110, 3-way head, built-in lever, 4-sec aluminium legs, quick lever rock. Just like the same things written here, it's the same thing is written here. So and here it says rubber leg tip. It's written rubber leg tip. Yes, the tip of its leg, at the bottom there is rubber leg tip, so that the tripod doesn't slip easily. Here it is written quick lever rock, and here it is written 4-section leg. I don't know what is the 4-section leg. And here it is written 3-way pan head. I don't know what the meaning of this. And here again it's written made in China. So I have shown you what's written on the box. So now I'm going to unbox this tripod. So I'm slowly unboxing it. And see, I'm keeping the box by the side. It's a bag. The tripod is kept in this bag. So I am slowly unboxing it. Opening it. Before opening it, let me show you one of the key specification of this tripod. Okay, I am saying you after opening. Here is the head of the tripod. You can see it's one of the main part. I am keeping it here, and here is the tripod. This is my first and new tripod. And let me say you the key specification of this tripod. The key specification of this tripod is its minimum height. I mean, if I keep it like this, let me show you. If I keep it like this, then its minimum height is 13 inch, that is around 33 centimeter, and its maximum height can be raised up to 41 inch, that is around 104 centimeter. Means its height can be this height can be adjusted from 13 inch to 41 inch, or 33 centimeter to 104 centimeter. So let me show you. I am setting up this tripod. Let me show you how to set it up. So what we have to do is, here by this way we can adjust the angle. Means if we want to record a video of higher, we have to do this. If of lower areas, we have to do this, and so on. We have to, in this way, we have to open these three legs. We have to keep it stand. Now let me show you. Sorry, this is the one of the main thing, and here we can keep the mobile or camera, whatever you want. So let me set it up. Yeah, almost done. You have to set it up in such a way that is convenient to you. Now this is the first stage. You have to make it tight by adjusting this key here, so that it does not fall easily. Now here we can open these keys. Then we have to close. The same thing we have to do with this leg and this leg also. So, and this is it. I have fully opened all the legs, and now I am keeping it on the floor. So here you can see I have kept the tripod. So now you can see I kept this tripod on floor, and my height is 5 feet 8 inches, and the tripod is touched my stomach. I mean this height. Its height is 40 inches. So this is it. This is the tripod that I have unboxed just now, and you can see it's sufficiently long. Its height is more than enough for recording a video or taking a stable shot, or you can say for taking a good panorama. As you can see, you can adjust where to take the picture or video, and here you can do this thing also using this handle. So this is all about the video about my today's topic. And before ending this video, let me say you two more things. I mean, not two more things, only one thing. That is the bug, I mean the YouTube bug that I have told you in my 8th video. That is what I have said, that bug is finally removed after the latest updates of YouTube around 1 month ago. And one more thing, I know I am uploading this video after nearly 1 month. It's because of my exams, internal exams. I was unable to focus on this YouTube videos. For that reason, I was unable to upload my new upload videos. But finally, I am uploading it, and so this is what all about. I mean, this is all that I have covered in this video. So thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay cool. See you soon in my next video. Up till then, goodbye.